Hi, it's Tiffany from ABI, and today we're at the Grange Haus by Happy Haus. The exterior is quite neutral, but the interior is opposite. So come on in and let's check it out. The main theme of the home is cohesion. You'll notice that the stone cladding here is a major feature throughout the home. They've used a lot of similar finishes and details that give that urban feel to this home. Stepping into the living room, you can see that there's already some colour. We've got the mustard velvet lounge chair, got some green, and even this bronze. It's quite earthy. This space is 7.5 metres wide. It gives the illusion that it's bigger because they've left 1.5 metres either side of the house for obviously beautiful greenery and a pathway to the back of the house. Just off the living, you've got a powder room as well as the laundry. Behind me, you can peek through to the kitchen, which is where we're headed next. In the open dining and kitchen area, you can see more of those natural finish choices that they've gone for. You can see here in the travertine dining table, as well as to my left on this beautiful emerald quartzite green kitchen island. They've also used some fluted marble as a feature, which balances well with the brush brass accents. The level of sophistication in these design choices really show, and this colour palette sets the tone for the rest of the home. Before we head upstairs, we have to talk about my favourite design feature of the home, and it's this rock bedding that they've got surrounded by these potted plants. You may have seen these rocks earlier in the living area in front of the home. So they've actually broken them down smaller and created this beautiful bedding. But what a great way to make use of extra materials. Stepping into the primary suite, and instantly I feel at home. This natural light just pours in from these windows. You've got a beautiful view of the garden bed, and those tones flow into the soft furnishings as well as the artwork here. Behind me is the walk-in robe, where you can see that emerald quartzite repeated again. And in through here is the ensuite. I really feel like I'm in a luxe hotel here. They've used similar finishes, however, they've introduced curves in these sconces, as well as here in the basin. Tucked behind here is the bath with a skylight above to add some more natural light to the space. To my right, we have the study, and to my left, we have the main bathroom. They have cleverly split this space into 3 parts to allow multiple people to use the area at once. Down this wing of the house, there are 3 bedrooms, as well as the second living. My eye is immediately drawn to this angled ceiling here. That window just douses this space in that easterly sunlight in the afternoons. Let's head to the west and go check out the outdoor area. I really love how they've opened up the space here by adding this void into the ceiling, and they've continued that black butt timber wood all the way through to the outdoor barbecue area. We've got that green concrete, the moleskin cabinetry, and of course my favourite, the big green egg smoker that is the perfect excuse to have lots of people over. The modern colourful spin on this urban-inspired home has been thoughtfully designed. Thank you to Happy Haus for letting us through this dreamy project. It's been such a treat to take you through it today.